I'm looking like a 2-cent whore. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Jumping right in, I'm using the Hard Candy Primer, the mattifying primer, and I'm going to prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer. If you guys can see me talking, it's because this video was originally a chit chat, get ready with me, and then I decided I didn't really want that, and that's not what you guys came to see anyway. So I'm taking Statement from the Wanderlust palette. It's just a light brown color. I'm not really sure why I didn't hold it up and show it, but it's just a light brown. And the palette's by Profusion. All the products will be listed down below. And I took Nostalgia from the same palette and packed that in the crease and then blended it out. But I really packed it in the crease first so it'd be super defined. Then I took this dark blue shadow from a Hard Candy Holiday palette. It doesn't have a name and it's super old. And I just put that in the inner and outer crease. I mean inner and outer lid. And then I took a shimmery blue color that's just slightly lighter and I put this in the middle of my lid. My lid space is so small, y'all. I'm just looking at it like, wow. God gave me nothing, huh? Then I'm just building up the inner and outer corner again because it kind of got lost with the middle shade. And then I went back in with Statement to buff out the crease a bit. Then I took Roxane from the Jaclyn palette. It took me like 3 different brushes to find the one I wanted, but I just put this in the crease to warm it up a bit because you're losing the brown next to the blue. So I wanted the crease to stand out just a little bit more. Then I took Frostbite from NYX as a single shadow and I popped this in my inner corner. And then I took Frosting from the Wanderlust palette by Profusion and put that in there too, just to get a little bit more icy than blue. I'm taking these lashes from Visit Free, they're just Minx, you know, AliExpress. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee, and I'm just concealing. I haven't really been into foundation lately. I've literally just gone straight to concealer, and I love the way it looks on me. I'm taking this black Radiance concealer stick in Deep Mahogany, I believe, and I'm just using that to contour. And then I'm going in with the ABH powdered bronzer. I don't remember the name of the color, but it's just bronzer. I think it's the darkest one they have. Then I took the Hard Candy highlighter and used this. This is like a little bit more cool because I didn't want to go in with a warm highlighter when I am trying to keep it kind of cool. And then I went with the NYX Lip Lingerie in Teddy, which is a really cool matte lipstick. So I went in with Stingraye from Colourpop because I couldn't have my lips looking that cool, y'all. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.